So today I just got my package in the mail and I'm gonna open this baby up. Since I be opening this up, I need to cut the straps and all that good stuff. And somehow it's got a hole in it since I've ordered this thing and it's fragile. Let's open this baby up. First off, we're opening the box. Sorry for the awkward silent situation. I need to at least keep my mouth away from the microphone and the camera because it's so sensitive. So we got the wheel. So we got our wheel and all that such. Mainly you get the wheel. I ordered this on Amazon a couple days ago. And mostly this is just a first person view and perspective of what is inside. Here's the manual and all that such. Grab this wheel out of here. Oh my god, that thing weighs, man. 1,000 watt, 48 volts motor. I still haven't got the batteries for it. That's gonna be in a couple of days to get that. Man, that is a nice motor. 1,000 watts. This is what you get with the motor. You get the carrying back. The carrying bag, which is for your battery. Bring the charger. So this is a 48 volt charger and all that such. So we got that. This feels cheap. Is there any much charger in there? I think so. Here comes the accessories. Yeah, that's my bed over there. Mostly I'm home alone. I'm showing this to my family members. But then I had to assemble it later. This is what you get with the box if you purchase this on Amazon. Luckily it came in today. Open this box up. What are these? So we got the controller. I'm going to mess with this stuff later and assemble it. So if you like this part, I'm going to jump cut where I'm going to assemble this on my own, and thanks for watching. So it's the next day. I set up the motor, hooked it up right at the moment. I'm just going to wait until I get a new bike rack. And there's the electric controller that I'm going to get. And I need to hook this up into this bag, set up all the wiring. So let me set up the wiring first. I'm not gonna hook everything at once, but we're gonna set this up. Out of shape. So first I'm gonna grab this bag. I'm ready to decide if it should go left side or right side, but it depends on my specifications. So first off, I grab the electric controller and all that stuff. zoom in the camera and you see what I'm doing. So right off, you get these 3 terminal connectors, and I don't have tools on me, so I have to do this with this cheap screwdriver and unravel everything that's on this bike. So first off, I don't remember what the correlation is. I do remember things from last night, but not have a good memory. I'm setting up this e-bike, which was my first e-bike, and I have to wait till batteries until next month to publish this video. Right now it's just being edited as we speak, so it gets better quality on how I set these things up. So I'm getting the wires untangled from the motor. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one, but I think I got an idea. This little thing right here, I'm going to clamp it right in that side, so I have a little bit of girth, or probably, which is better, I don't know. I'm just making things up at the moment. I wonder if I'm recording. Yes, I am recording. Man, I'm old school. So first off, I want to hook up the batteries to the exact wires on this, and I need to open up the bag, which I left the parts in here. So this is going to take a second. So after I got the bike rack mounted onto the bike, I'm going to connect the batteries in the next step. So any modification I did, probably gonna keep that for now. And I got the controls set up. This is my throttle, my cruise control, and pedal assist, which are the plus and minus, but I'm not gonna install pedal assist on this thing since I don't have tools for it to remove the crankshaft off the bike. So let me step up the next part and show you the battery portion of the thing. Okay, now I'm going to install these, install the battery parts, and I wrap the battery with duct tape and so things and all that such. So let's get started. Make sure you don't connect the batteries connected to positive. I don't know, I'm just making no sense. So right now I'm putting these on. These terminals and all that such. And connecting them from positive to negative to positive to negative. Now we're started, okay? So first off, I have to be careful not to connect by mistakenly connecting the wrong wire to each one. So first off, you disconnect the positive to negative end. I'm going to show that right now in this example. So mostly, it's been a project for like 3 weeks at least. I need to finish this e-bike build and complete this power circuit to series. So here's the video of my e-bike. I got it all done, and this is the after footage of me connecting the batteries and all that such. I got it running today and did some simple things. It has the power buttons here, where it says light, and it's full battery still, and I connect all the terminals. It's all set up for tomorrow and all that such. So I'm going to ride this tomorrow, and hope you like this video. Sorry it took me for so long to edit this video. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe if you like seeing this e-bike build for this Walmart e-bike. The only modifications I did is I had to adjust the fork with some extenders, so I had to fix that. And earlier when I was riding, is the wheel started to hit the bar. So that's pretty much it. And it runs really well. So but the only problem is the battery weight takes a toll in trying to get this thing in my room. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoy this video, comment, like, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'm out of here.